Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to see link device in your WhatsApp. Let's get started. You want to check the device that is being logged into your WhatsApp from other device or every device. Let's get started. So let's get started. What you need to do is open your WhatsApp. So open your WhatsApp, click on this three dot. Click on this three dot. Sorry for that. Click on this three dot. Then you're going to say link device. Click on link device. Then this is it. If you look at this, I've logged in. My other link device is window, and it's going to tell you the exactly time the device log into your WhatsApp. If you want to log the device out, just click on the device one by one. Click on logout. If you don't want to log it out, just click on close. You can just check any device that was logged into your account, your WhatsApp account from this place. You can log it out automatically. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.